Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going Dapoli, which is located in Konkan. And this is morning 5:45 view. So stay tuned with us for the updates. And wow, this sunrise looks so beautiful. We have reached Mahad and look at the traffic. Everybody is going to their village to celebrate Holi festival. We had halted here to have breakfast. We are still on the way to Dapoli, but look at the view and the surroundings. It looks so beautiful. Greeneries around. Now we have reached Ambed Ghat. At some places the road condition was too bad because the construction work was going on, and at some places the roads were also too narrow, due to which we got a bit traffic to reach there. So after driving for around 7 hours, we reached Dapoli, and our resort is very near to Murud beach.
So here you can see beautiful sunset. This property is located at Dapoli. The surrounding area is very beautiful. This is closer view of sunset. This beach is located at Dapoli, and at Dapoli the exact location is Murud. So if you want to visit this location, so yes, you need to come to the Murud, this beach called Murud beach. And you can see here not much public, and it's very neat and clean. If you want peace and if you want relaxation, so yes, you can come here. And this is really good place, like if you're planning to come with your friends and family, so you can just see opposite beach. This is beautiful mountain. This is evening view. You can see over here beautiful waves and their sound. It's low tide. Otherwise you will able to see water till there. So I will show you the property where we are staying. You can see here are many properties where you can book your room. It's very cheap rate, I would say. But when it's come to the cheap rate, so you people must be thinking the quality, maybe they have compromised the quality, but it's not like that. They have maintained things very well. Here we have booked for 3 nights and we are paying around 24,000 included breakfast and the facility which they have, we can avail that. They have so this is the building and this resort name is Sagar Sauli Grand Murud Beach, and all rooms are sea facing view. Then you will get all this facility here. So we are entering now in the property and you can see here, so this is the entrance of the property. You can see these beautiful flowers. And this is the building. Here you can park your cars, and even if they have facility to park bus. As today is Holi, so you can see here they have done all preparation. And here some classical program going on. It's called Giri Sagar Swar Vihar.
जयति जय जय माधवं मधुसूदनं नारायणं जयति जय जय माधवं मधुसूदनं नारायणं.
Here you can see people are enjoying this. Basically this is garden area. So this is Holi Dahan preparation is going on, and after this puja they will do Holi Dahan. Guys, you can listen this beautiful abanga.
वैकुण्ठनायका 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 आनन्दपरदायका आनन्दपरदायका यादव कुलतिलका यादव कुलतिलका यादव कुलतिलका यादव कुलतिलका केशी राजा केशी राजा केशी राजा वैकुण्ठनायका 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 संसार तारका संसार तारका भक्तजन पालका भक्तजन पालका संसार 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 तारका संसार तारका संसार तारका भक्तजन पालका भक्तजन पालका यादव कुलतिलका यादव कुलतिलका यादव कुलतिलका केशी राजा केशी राजा केशी राजा वैकुण्ठनायका 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 वैकुण्ठनायका
Now I am going to take you to the tour of hotel room. The hotel has 3 floors. It has single compartment as well as the suite. which consists of a 1 BHK kind of thing where 4 people can accommodate easily. So this is at the entrance, it is a common bathroom. This is a hall. Hall is also quite big and it has a sofa cum bed. Here 3 people can accommodate easily. This is a sofa for sitting, and they have a separate dining area also. Look at the view of hotel from the window. It is very close to Murud beach and it has garden facing rooms and swimming pools as well. Now let me take you to bedroom. So this is a bedroom. This is also quite big and spacious. This is the master bedroom. It has a bathtub. It also has a balcony. And this is the amazing view from the balcony. It's very nice and calm place where you can come and relax and spend time with your family and friends.
So this is the reception area. Here is ice cream also is available. I don't know the ice cream. Yes, it is. On my left, you can take this lift. Here is beautiful Ganpati frame, and on my left, on my right, this is the kitchen area, and yes, this is restaurant. So here you can come and order, and there is small play area.
This was our Dapoli visit part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, which is coming soon, where we will be showing you a tour to Kaju factory. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe our channel.